Anna, what is it doing?
Snowing! I'm trying to find my stuff.
Oh no, did you lose it already?
Yeah. It's probably under here.
Probably. Bethany, do you want to go out and play in the snow?
Can do.
Maybe a little bit. It just started to snow though, so it's not very much snow.
Peter.
Anna's like, time to go, time to go, time to go.
It's our first snowing.
It's very faintly snowing. You probably can't even see it snowing. It's very faint.
I can see it snowing. That proves it's
Oh,
snowing.
yeah, but just a little smidgy. It's supposed to snow all day, so it should be good.
No, it's coming down.
There's snow coming down.
Yeah.
What did it do?
Blew up in my eyes.
It blew in your eyes?
Yeah.
What do you need?
Some eyeballs.
Eye things?
Yeah.
Eyebrows?
Yeah.
Oh, to keep snow out of your eyeballs?
Yeah.
Oh, are you all warm and toasty?
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened to your gloves?
In my pocket.
Yeah, okay. Let's go see what Anna's doing. Peter Buddy, is it snowing? Yeah, it's snowing. It is actually coming out a little bit better now. It's been 3 years since we've had snow, so this is pretty exciting. And yes, I bundled my kids all up in snow gear because honestly, we keep the snow gear all year long because it helps keep them warm when it's 40 degrees out and they're grumpy about going outside. Warm clothes helps them go outside. Anyway, Peter's kind of very bulky in his gear. And yes, he has a girly hat on, but you know, hand-me-downs here. What?
That's in my eyes.
It tried to get in your eyes?
Yeah.
The snow did?
Yeah.
Oh dear. What are we gonna do?
Put some eyeballs on them.
Put some eyeberries on them?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Are you trying to catch the snow, buddy?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? You see the snow? Are you trying to catch it? Catch the snow?
Get a little bit of snow.
What are you doing?
Trying to get snow on my tongue.
Is it working?
Uh-uh.
You might need to tip your head back a little bit further. There you go.
I got them on my nose. Guys, look.
What?
That's snow.
Snow!
Frosty. What is that?
Look, it's sticking on the ground. Ah!
Frosty out there.
It's frosty.
What is this?
No, that's snow.
Frosty out there.
That's snow, girl.
Frosty.
It looks like frost, but it's snow.
Oh, come.
Go get it. Go explore.
Come.
I'll come.
I'm almost ready to use these.
This is Bethany's first time actually seeing snow besides parking lot snow, so this is exciting. Oh, it is actually frosty over here, Bethany.
Yeah.
You are right. Look at it. This is so cool. Don't walk in too much, Bethany, but the water moisture in the thing has frozen up. It's pretty cool.
It's icy.
It is kind of icy.
Okay.
Look, there you go. Now you make it into a ball. Yeah, you roll, 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 roll. Maybe Aunt Callie will give you some. For a snowball. Now go throw it at Anna. Go get her. Go get her. Ah, she's right there. Get her. Yeah. Good job. Now you can do it again. Now who are you going to get? You got her, Bethany. You got her. You're a snowball. What you think, buddy? You touching the snow? Find some snow? Look, there's a ball. Is it cold? Yeah, it's so cold. You're like, go away, ball. Go away, snow. You're cold. Are you dancing in the snow?
No.
Oh, why do you need more snow? Oh, to throw it in to Kelly?
Yeah.
That sounds silly.
You're throwing it at me now? No.
What are you doing?
And my tongue has some snow in my mouth.
Oh, you're going to eat some snow?
Yeah.
Does it work if you close your eyeballs?
Yeah.
So you don't get it in your eyeballs? Or you got to see if they're coming? Do they taste good? Or do they taste weird? Taste weird? Oh, look at this little snowman. You got one of those. Watch him fall right off your hand. He's so cute.
You put him on the truck.
On the truck?
Yeah.
You want to see him on the truck? Okay.
So you want me like the driver?
Touch it.
You gonna name the snowman?
Touch.
Ooh, look at him go. He's sitting right there.
Gray.
You're gonna name him Gray?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does look kind of gray and dirty.
Here we go.
The snowman? Whoa! There goes the snowman.
I'll go get my snow.
Here, Bethany, you sit up here too. Ready? How come you don't have gloves on? Where's your
Well,
gloves
hers
on?
kind of dry rotted, so
Taking them off too.
we're stuck with little things.
Fuzzy socks?
Here's some more snow to pack him together.
Oh, he's good.
All right, Anna, why don't you stand in front of him? You stand right by your sister's feet.
Yeah, and I'll take a picture.
Here, let's get a picture of you.
Bethany, say cheese.
Cheese!
Peter knows cheese.
Cheese!
Good job, guys. So cute.
Oh, you threw a snow. Oh, you missed. Try again. You throwing a snowball at me.
Here's a snowball for you, Peter.
You gonna get me? Get
Throw
me.
it at Mommy.
Oh, almost it broke.
I'm going in where it's warm, Mom.
You're like, I leaving town. Cold. Ah, you got me.
Cold.
You got me right on the tummy. Everyone was getting cold and wet, so we had to come inside. Maybe a little hot chocolate or something and warm up. And come back out later after lunch or nap time.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do with that thingy?
I'll put it in a mug.
What is it gonna do?
Mouth.
We're gonna put it in our mouth. We're gonna make some hot chocolate with it. Yeah, it's giving a whole bunch of hot chocolate bombs, and so this is a perfect time to use them.
Cheese.
Come put them in nice and gently.
Chocolate.
Let's put them in a little more. Dunk them right in there. Hold them under. Ah, he's got bubbles.
Bubbles.
I'm just bubbling.
Now put him in there.
You need the knife to poke him in there?
Yeah. There. There's him goes. Look at him. Mama.
What?
He's howling it.
I see marshmallows escaping.
With marshmallows.
Why the marshmallows?
All the mellows.
I think I need a spoon.
We need a moon.
How's the hot cocoa?
Good.
Good? Good for warming you up?
Show the snow.
Mm-hmm.
Can you show the snow now?
Look at that snow out there. That's really coming down. Covered up our van, covered up our stuff. How's your hot chocolate?
Good.
Yeah, and it's hitting the spot. We were in the middle of an organization project that I gotta finish. How's your hot chocolate? It good? It hitting the spot? Yeah? It's so good?
Hang on, want to wait?
Yeah! Almost launching them.
Ready? Yeah, but you gotta sit up.
You gotta sit?
Bottom, and then I'll give you Peter. Hurry up, I can't hold.
He's gotta sit between your legs.
You gotta put him on the sled.
There you go. You guys good? Watch out, Bethany! Everybody get ready? Do you like sledding?
Now I want to do Peter's mine, so Peter will want to have mine.
You want Peter and yours?
Yeah.
Anna has created some skis out of broken ladder pieces. How's it work? Good? Bad? A little wonky?
works if I make it work.
Okay.
I have to pop my... Oh, that camera is for me.
Yeah, she can come over. Are you gonna make it go though?
Let's show Mommy.
What are you gonna make, Bethany? Oh, you need lots of snow though, but I think it's not working right. You gonna make a snow angel?
Do your arms. Do your legs. And now stand up. Whoa.
Ta-da! What'd you make?
Did you make her?
Yeah.
Make a snow
Look,
angel?
There's her head. We gotta put her crown on. There's her snow angel.
Head.
You made her head.
Need make her head.
Oh, you need to make her head?
Her head's over there.
You're putting her head over there? That's her wings. No?
You got socks for gloves.
Did we get you all wet?
Oh wait, hold on, Anna. Let me see you. Let me see you make your snow angel. Gotta do your legs.
I did.
Okay.
Now put her crown on.
Yeah.
Put her halo on.
It's the hardest when you don't have, when you're too big to like hop out without help,
Can
huh?
you step in her wing and put her halo on top of her head?
I'll make a head.
There you go.
You gonna make one, buddy? You wanna make a snow angel? Yeah, here. Lay back. Lay back. There you go. Boop, 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 boop. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. He's like, this is not fun. That's not fun.
No.
He did make a snow angel.
It's kind of like a snow blob, but he made it. You gonna make a better one? All right, let me see. Okay, wiggle your legs.
Ready, Anna? Get in front of her.
Get this one.
So I can get your picture with her.
There you go. Okay, you forgot to do your arms.
There we
You forgot to do the arm part.
go. Look what.
What are you getting?
This one more.
Some snow for what? What are you making?
No, man.
A snowman? Right there on my car?
Yeah.
Whoa. That's crazy. Is it going to be a tiny snowman? Okay.
No, let him big.
Not him big. Okay.
Eat him dinner.
He needs to eat some dinner.
Yeah.
Oh, then he'll be big?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds like a great idea.
Eat him more now. To take my gloves off.
Here, let me see your little snowman.
To fix my snowman.
I'm going to need to get back further. Can you get close to your snowman? There's a Peter snowman that Bethany made and a Bethany snowman that Anna made. And Peter's about like going to tromp on it probably.
Need more.
Need more snowmen?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you guys later.
We even had a carrot for the snowman. Anna's working on her carrot for her thing. Are you having a snack over there?
Part of my carrot's turning into snack.
No, it goes on this side. Oops, I guess they're not looking the same direction.
Okay, I guess they can look the same direction.
Okay. So what I just did with Bethany is I kind of broke her head and then I kind of... Would you like help? We're out back out for a little more adventure in the dark. Because dark sledding is super fun, but it's also like raining. So it's also kind of blah. No, don't let your sled escape. Peter, are you done with this business? Yeah, a little bit sloppy. Like these kids are probably soaked. And they only went out for 10 minutes maybe. You going, Bethany? Ah! Get it quick!
On my foot.
Alright, hop on. Let me see you go down. But, you know, the rain makes it also a little more faster, so super fun. You can go further. I mean, there's literally like an inch of snow. And they're having fun. You're having problems, aren't you, ma'am? Ah! 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 No. No. There we go. Okay. Woo! You ready? Okay, go. It's going down backwards. She crashed into you. Oh man, look how far she's going. We are heading back outside for day number 2 of this snowy adventure. It's probably all gonna melt today, but it's really icy out now because it rained last night and it got cold and all that. Anyway, whew, I'm out of breath. I'm feeling very pregnant right now and trying to fit in all the gear and get little children all ready for going outside. And Peter, you know, takes off a layer as soon as you put it on. So, yeah. You want to? Whoa! He's also like flopping over everywhere. Figured out with him, his little cuffs fold over so he can stay warm that way. He doesn't really like it. Mama? Yeah, you want Mama to go outside with you? Should we go outside? Go sled? Go have fun in adventure time. I got my snow pants. Yes, they do not fit at all. So, we're gonna go have some fun though. Peter Buddy, you wanna come hop on? Come here, buddy. Ah. Come here. Come here. Oh. Can you help him?
Sure.
They should have got him a little closer. So. Come here, buddy.
I feel like grabbing by his back.
Wanna go for a ride, buddy? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
You're not ready. Ready? 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Down there by the trees.
All right, Bethany and I are gonna go. Oh, ready? Oh, I guess Peter Buddy's coming too? Okay, Peter Buddy's coming. Poor little buddy.
It's the everyone ride.
Except for you.
Yeah.
You can come down to the bottom and help me haul everybody back up. Ugh, here, can you set him on Bethany's lap a little better?
Yes.
It's okay, buddy. If you just move this part forward.
Here you go. Everyone's on.
Maybe we're on. Ugh, we might need a little shove. There we go. There we go. I think we're just gonna go for a short ride today. Then I'll have to carry everybody back up the hill. Because, whew, that's a bunch of work. Go! I overestimated how warm it was out here. It is time to shed some layers. So I took off my hat, gloves, extra coat, lots of things. Going over with Daddy.
Hop in. You ready? Turn around. You ready? Yeah, not good. My butt will get all wet.
Straight for the fruit tree.
I didn't get him. Peter's like, wait, what about me?
You almost crashed into the post. Our hands are probably cold.
Tree and the pole. When I say bail, we bail.
That means you fall out quick. Not that tree. Well, look how far they're going, Bethany. Don't go in the creek.